Welcome to Chapter 5, Part 1. So the first thing we need to do for this lesson is go to File, Open, then navigate to your handout drive under this PC, go to Business Handouts down at the bottom, and then Shonifer, Computer Graphics 2, and Chapter 5, and open up 5-1. If it asks you to update the links, go ahead and update the links for this particular one, even though in most cases you will hit Don't Update. But for this lesson, you're going to learn how to create a process color swatch. So we're going to click Update, and when it opens, the first thing we're going to do is open up our Swatches panel. It's right over here on the right-hand side. Click Swatches and display your panel. Then we're going to open up our Swatches panel option button, and remember our options button is always in the top right-hand corner of our panel with those lines through it, and we're going to select New Color Swatch. The first thing we want to do is make sure that our color type says Process and that our color mode is CMYK. Then you'll notice that the swatch name right now is your C equals M equals, and it's just going to be corresponding with all these numbers. We want to uncheck that box so that we can name it a unique color. So we're going to type in gold for this particular color. And then under cyan, we're going to have 0. Under magenta, 10. Under yellow, 90. And then under black, we 0. And when you hit tab, what you should have is a new gold color right here in this little box. Then you're going to click OK and click the Swatches panel option button again and select New Swatch. So going back, my CC library, my Creative Cloud library is going to pop up. Yours probably will not because you have to be logged in to have a saved library, so do not worry about that. So come back to your Swatches panel option, and New Color Swatch. And we're going to do the same thing where we're going to remove the check mark, making sure that it says Process and CMYK. We're going to change the color to blue, and then our values are going to be 85 under cyan, hitting tab, 10 under magenta, 10 under yellow, and 0 in black. And now you should have this new blue color. Go ahead and hit OK. And then we're going to create another process color by coming to our Swatches panel again, our panel options, New Color Swatch, unchecking the name with color, making sure it's Process and CMYK. We're changing this color name to pink, and then our color options for cyan will be 0, 20 for magenta, 0 for yellow, and 0 for black. And now you're going to have this new light pink color. And then go ahead and hit OK. So this is all for Part 1, but what you will need to do is do a File Save As, and you're going to save this as Oahu, or last name, comma first name, and it's going to be your dash, and OAHU magazine cover. And then go ahead and save this on your H drive. Do not turn it in because you will need it for future lessons. I will let you know when to turn this in.